It's not up to my expectation. I wanted to see something like you can, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel DIY. In today's video, I'm going to test this Soloscan for BMW from Kingbolen. They sent me this small scan tool that works with your phone. I think it uses Bluetooth connection. Apparently, they have lots of features and functions that you can do. You can scan your car, and there are some bi-directional features as well, I guess. So I'm going to open the box and show you all the stuff that comes in the box, and we'll try to set it up and see what are the features that we can do with the BMW. If we can turn on some hidden features and do some scan, clear some codes, if there's any reset codes or reset service intervals. I think we can do all that with scan tool. Let's find out. Now I'm going to open it. It's well sealed. This one is just for BMW. I think they have one that is universal that you can use for all the vehicles. So let's open it. And it comes, the box comes like in a drawer, feels like high quality. Oh wow. Inside, I guess there is a manual. We have the activation code. This comes in a pouch, very small, like can fit in your pocket, or you can fit it in your glove box right here. Yep, this is the one. It has 3 lights at the back, and we'll find out what are the lights for. So first let's put it back in here. Let's check what the manual says. So the manual also comes in different languages for different countries. So first we have to download the app called eDiag. Let's do that. So you just scan the QR code and you download the app from App Store for iOS, and I think you can download it from Google Play as well for Android devices. Okay, once it's downloaded, you can open it. Okay, so I'll just turn that in English. And for the first time we have to sign up, I guess, so, or log in with verification code. So I'll just register now. So I put my email address, I agree to the terms and conditions. You'll get a verification code in your email. Nine three six 30. Okay, registered. Ask for username. Set up a password. Okay, once you're all set up, I think you're all good. Next we need to activate the OBD. So I guess we have to go to all system diagnostic and click on activate. Here it asks for the serial number and activation code, which is in the box, I guess, or which is on the first page. Serial number, so we'll enter that. Once you enter the serial number and activation code, you can activate it. Already installed. Next we have to put the device in the OBD2 port in your vehicle, so open it. On mine it's underneath right here, so we just need to plug it in right here. It's green, it has power. Once you open the app, it should automatically start looking for it, so I guess we need to turn on the Bluetooth. Start connecting automatically. On the top corner you will see here it says the Bluetooth sign has a green tick, means it's connected to the scanner. In the instructions it also says that do not pair it directly to your phone, always pair it with the app. Next it says step 5 we have to download the diagnostic software. So we go to in all system diagnostics, do a VIN scan. So now it's updating the software. Alright, so now I have the information of my car. So I'll just click next, confirm. It automatically turn off the ignition switch and it turn it on back. Now it's scanning all the computers in the car and it shows me the menu, what I can do. So we have the health report, this system scan, system selection. So now that it has been updated, let's go back and start again. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to scan. So we have this one installed already, BMW. Let's select the VIN that I have already scanned, click OK, connecting. Okay, next. It just takes some time. I found like it's a bit slow. Scanning all the modules on the car. Okay, so let's start by checking the health of the car here. Now it's scanning all the modules again. Normally it should give me one error or notification because I have one that shows up on the dash here. I have one code that shows on the iDrive that I need to change the brake fluid. So I think it should give me that on it. Alright guys, so I was going like in the functions of this app. So if I go like for my vehicles, the good thing is like it gives you like what type of car it is, like what type of chassis, like an F15, and what type of engine on it, like it's an N55 engine, country of origin, like basic information. When I click next, in my opinion it takes a bit of time to process, and then start scanning all the modules in the car. If you have any codes on your dash, so that's you are able to scan it and it will give you the code or the error. You can also scan by by drive, chassis or body. You don't need to scan all the modules. Like if you go like check the transmission control module or any other one. The good thing about it, it gives you the serial number and the supplier. Also for the part, you can do some tests like a read code, clear the fault code, or like do live stream, like get live data, and also do some actuation test. And it's the same for all modules. The thing that I was expecting with this scan tool is like if you were able to do some features like when you shut off your car, your mirror gets folded automatically, or when you unlock your car, your mirrors open automatically, or you can roll up your windows or roll down your windows, close your sunroof. But I don't see these features on this one. It's a good scan tool just to scan and see if there's any engine light code on or other codes, but It's not up to my expectation. I wanted to see something like you can find features where you can enable and disable features in your car, like I mentioned, folding mirrors, or turn off the day running light, turn on the day running light. I know there are some scan tools from other brands that can do that, but this one is just good to scan. I was a bit disappointed by it, but anyway, unfortunately guys, I thought that I could recommend it to you, but it's up to you. You watch the video and you saw like what we can do with it. For me, it was a bit disappointing. I could not find features that I can activate or deactivate on my BMW, because I have other scan tools as well. Like I have the hotel and Blue Driver. Blue Driver is just like a one-way scan tool, like give you the codes. This one gives you the code, but you can do some actuation tests. For example, like try to open the sunroof, close it, and to see if the switch is working or not. As I mentioned, you cannot turn on features or turn off features. Like when you unlock your car, like it turns on all the lights or open the folded mirrors, or when you lock your car, it automatically close or roll up all the windows up. And if you find this video helpful, please click the like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.